mentors and friends. I am truly honored to speak with you today about a matter that is difficult to discuss, but is critically important to our community. Abuse. Abuse in any form does not only affect the victim, but also the perpetrator. And the entire church is left with hurting members. As a Filipino dentist, a beauty queen, a fashion model, a wife, and a mother to 3 young adults, and a social media influencer, I feel profound responsibility to be a voice to those who are in need of help and support. The Seventh-day Adventist wholeheartedly supports the End It Now global initiative to raise awareness and advocate for the end of violence around the world. It aims to mobilize the Seventh-day Adventists globally and encourage other community groups to join in solving this issue. Since its launched October 2009, when ADRA, Adventist Development and Relief Agency, cooperated with Department of Women's Ministries End It Now, and has extended its reach to over 200 countries and territories. In 2016, when ADRA ceased its involvement, 6 additional departments of Seventh-day Adventists joined as co-sponsors of the initiative, namely the Children's Ministries, Department of Education, Family Ministries, Health Ministries, Ministerial Ministries, and Youth Ministries. Each of these departments is committed to developing and sharing resources that address various forms of abuse against women, men, and children. Our stand against abuse is a testament of our faith. We are called to be a light in the darkness, to stand for injustice, and to offer hope and healing. Abuse is not just a social issue. It is also a spiritual crisis that demands our attention and action. However, abuse is not the only crisis we face today. We are living in a time when global warming and climate change are frequently affecting and giving us devastating natural disasters. Floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, stronger typhoons, and storm surges have brought immense suffering to our people. These challenges demand greater commitment and cooperation to overcoming them together. The recent opening of the Paris Olympics depicted apocalyptic signs and symbols, turning once mere biblical allegories into vivid biblical representations of the ancient prophecies. The striking imagery is a testament of our time. That we need soul strengthening and higher spiritual life. These events call us to deepen our faith and resilience as we navigate an increasingly turbulent world. Through End It Now and our collective efforts, we can make a significant impact by raising awareness, educating our communities, and advocating for change. We can break the cycle of abuse and address the broader challenges of life we face. Let us unite in this mission for the sake of our faith,